Audi India has commenced production of the new A4 facelift at its Aurangabad facility, the company has announced. The new Audi A4 facelift was revealed in May last year globally and finally makes its way to India with the new hexagonal single-frame grille, revised headlamps with LED daytime running lights, new LED tail lights and revised front and rear bumpers. The overall profile now resembles that of the larger Audi A6 sedan in the brand stable. Upgrades extend to the cabin as well, including the new 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system, the Audi virtual cockpit and revised upholstery for a fresh new look. The new Audi A4 facelift will be offered with only a petrol engine in India, and power is likely to come from the 2-litre TFSI petrol engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The engine could also get the 12-volt mild hybrid system that was introduced on the European version. The new Audi A4 facelift will go on sale in India by early 2021 and bookings are likely to open soon. The sedan will compete against the Mercedes-Benz C-Class, BMW 3 Series, Jaguar XE and the upcoming Volvo S60. The all-new Hyundai i20 has bagged an impressive 30,000 bookings in just 40 days of launch, the automaker has announced. Hyundai India has already delivered 10,000 units of the premium hatchback to customers with a high demand for the top-end variants. The company has received over 85% of the total bookings for the top-spec Astra variants and around 10% for the dual-tone variants. With the third-generation i20, Hyundai discontinued the base era trim and instead offers the more feature-loaded Magna, Sports, Astra and Astra option variants. The all-new i20 is a giant leap over its predecessor and is based on a completely new platform offering more space and better drivability. The car is offered with 3 engine options and 4 transmission choices. Prices for the new Hyundai i20 begin from 6,80,000 rupees ex-showroom. App-based mobility service provider Ola has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Tamil Nadu government to set up its manufacturing facility in the state to build two-wheelers. The company has announced an investment of 2,400 crore rupees to set up what it claims to be the world's largest scooter manufacturing plant. Upon completion, the factory will create nearly 10,000 jobs and will initially have an annual capacity of 2 million units. At present, the company is gearing up to launch its range of electric scooters in the coming months. Ola acquired Amsterdam-based Etergo earlier this year that fast-tracked the company's electric scooter project. The Tamil Nadu plant will not only cater to the Indian market, but will also export scooters to Europe, Asia, Latin America, among others. The company recently confirmed it will introduce scooters in New Zealand as well.
If you liked that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.